Are you new to the whole soy protein fad? Do you want to find out if it is for you or not? Then stick till the end of this video as we try to answer this question for you. To start with, let's find out what soy protein really is. It is basically protein which comes out of soybeans and is found in soy-based food and beverage products like soy milk, tofu, etc. These days, it also comes in the form of soy protein supplements that you can drink with water. Soy protein has recently started getting more attention in the media because a number of consumers are increasingly turning vegan. Soy protein has no relation to animal-based products or dairy products and fits perfectly in a vegan's lifestyle. Moreover, it is an excellent source of protein. In fact, soybeans are an even cheaper source of protein than eggs. So, why soy proteins? Here are some reasons. Number 1. It is the only vegetable food product which contains all 8 essential amino acids. Number 2. It is low in saturated fat and contains no cholesterol. Number 3. Lastly, besides being an excellent source of protein, soy-based products also contain fiber, iron, calcium, zinc, and vitamin B. The health benefits of soy proteins are: Number 1. Consumption of soy is negatively associated with the risk of cardiovascular health. Further, a significant negative association is seen between soy intake and risk of stroke. In simple terms, consuming soy could promote heart health. Number 2. For women with menopausal symptoms, the phytoestrogens found in soy protein could positively influence bone and calcium balance. Number 3. Another study shows that a diet high in soy protein could have the potential to prevent obesity. However, there are also some concerns regarding soy protein, and it's important to be aware of them too. Number 1. Soy contains something called phytates, which are known as anti-nutrients. That is, nutrients which limit the absorption of minerals like iron and zinc. But that's not to say that soy is particularly harmful. Just that even with soy, you have to consume a balanced diet rich in fruits and veggies containing iron and zinc. However, if you are an individual with specific health conditions, you may opt to decrease your dependence on soy protein due to this very reason. Number 2. Soy, when eaten in high quantity, may affect the body's hormonal balance. So, before embarking on a soy protein journey, it's important to figure out if it will work for your body in the long run. To watch more content on plant-based diets, stay updated for our next video.